Welcome to day 5 of Git tips and tricks, and today we're going to look at the git show command. So what git show does is we can pass it a git char, we can pass it a short char, we can pass it a tag name or a branch name, and it will show us that particular commit. So here I'm going to show us using git show on a full git char, and what that does is it gives us the commit message. And also it gives us a full diff of all the things that have changed in that particular commit. And if we don't want to see all of the full diff, we can do things like no patch, and then that will just give us the commit message and the kind of metadata around it, who did it, when they did it. We can also use the name of a tag when we do a git show. So for example, I can show us the code, the commit, that is commit at tag 1630. And again, we can use all of the kind of, all of the display modifiers we learnt all the way back in day 1. So I can do -- stat, and it's only going to show me a summary of the files and how they have changed. So we can also pass in a short git char, and once again, we're seeing everything to do with that particular commit. Now, what we can do is if we want to see what a file looked like at a particular point in time, we can do git show the name of the hash, or is it the hash, the short hash, long hash, the branch name, whatever. We can do colon, and then we can give the full path. So we can give the path to where the file is. And now this is showing the file as it was at that point in time. So in this case, as it was when the git char was 724cd08. So that's pretty neat if we ever want to look at what files were at certain points of their evolution during the project.